Welcome to TrueRender, turning everyday object images into 3D meshes with machine learning. So, the main problem that we're solving today is answering the question, can we use modern machine learning models to turn an ordinary object image or form video into a usable 3D mesh? Why is this important? Because it solves a problem with difficulty in creating 3D assets, 3D versions of a real object, and it avoids the manual labor of manual cleanup and use of modeling software such as Blender, AutoCAD. This helps enhance and optimize the process of creating AR previews, game prototyping, product visualization, and so on. Essentially, what this pipeline does, is what my demo does, is taking an object image or a video, segment the object from the background using the SAM3 segmentation model, and pass this into the TripoSR transformer model that converts it into a 3D object that we can now use and download into GOB files and just use it for everyday use. So now we'll move on to a live demo of the project. So here we have this was already pre-rendered by me. You first pass in a prompt of identifying what you're looking for. So the original image was a picture of a mouse on the table. We inputted the black mouse, put in the image, and the output was this 3D rendering of the mouse. Here is, for reference, the original image that was input into it. So, not bad at all. Here we could try another image. Let's try gray bottle container. And for reference, this is the image that we're going to use. Here it is. Let's pass this into our model, and first it's uploading the image, then it's gonna segment it using SAM3 to basically isolate the object from the background, and that's why we use the prompt, because that's how the SAM3 model works. Uses the prompt to identify the image that we want to isolate. Then after that, it generates the mesh with TripoSR. And once we have that, we could visualize it here. Just let it load for a little bit longer. We could also download the object and the GOB files. Here it is. Not bad at all. And this could just be used for normal AR, video game prototyping, all of that. So back to our slideshow. Essentially, this is the final pipeline that I implemented after 3 other different versions, and just to show quick evaluation results, I tried using the 2DGS model and the sugar model, which used 3D Gaussian splitting to create the meshes, but we had a lot of fragmentation, a lot of data loss, and this was not great at all for creating the final meshes, and this final output is the pipeline that I ended up using. Why is this important? Because it creates lower barriers to 3D asset creation, useful across a bunch of different applications, and startups like Meshi AI are pushing towards instant image to 3D generation, so this is up and coming. Thank you for watching this video.